Hi there, my name is Dr. Diallo. I am an academic coach and a test prep expert with Study.com. Are you currently preparing to take the FTCE Middle Grades General Science 5 through 9 with testing code 004 assessment? This assessment covers the subtopic of knowledge of processes of life. If so, you are in luck because I am here to walk you through a few sample test questions and other test taking strategies. Let's get started by taking a look at problem number 1. Which of the following is the main function of ATP in cellular processes? A. Facilitating protein synthesis. B. DNA replication. C. Providing energy for cellular activities. Or D. Strong genetic information. Let's first take a look at the key parts of the question. So it's asking us about the main function of the ATP process with cellular processes. So we want to keep those keywords in mind as we answer this question. Well, choices A, B, and D, DNA replication, storing genetic information, and facilitating protein synthesis are crucial cellular processes, but not the main function of ATP. Therefore, C, providing energy for cellular activities, is the correct answer because ATP, adenosine triphosphate, is the primary energy currency in cells. It stores and provides energy for a vast array of cellular activities, including active transport, movement, synthesis of molecules, and signal transduction. So therefore, C is the best answer. Which of the following organelles contains the genetic material of the cell? A. Lysosomes, B. Nucleus, C. Golgi apparatus, or D. Ribosomes. The key words in this question are organelles and genetic material. Let's keep that in mind when we're trying to answer this question. Although all 4 choices are organelles, 3 of the organelles listed, lysosomes, Golgi apparatus, and ribosomes, do not contain genetic material. Therefore, B, nucleus, is the correct answer because it contains the genetic makeup of the cell. One of the levels of taxonomy lions belong to is referred to as Phylidae. This is a group of mammals that are often referred to as cats. What level of biological taxonomy does Phylidae represent? A, family, B, species, C, order, or D, class. So we are referring to taxonomy and lions and Phylidae. We want to know what biological taxonomy the Phylidae belongs to. Well, species refers to a broad description of reproducing offspring. Order is also too broad and can include multiple species with similar characteristics. The word class refers to another broad term of grouping items with similar characteristics. However, A, family, is more specific and contains very similar species with common characteristics. Phylidae represents the family level in biological taxonomy. This level groups together related genera. Therefore, A, family, is the correct answer. Which of the following is true about fungi? A, fungi are photosynthetic organisms. B, fungi are a type of bacteria. C, fungi are eukaryotic. Or D, all fungi are edible. Again, we want to notice that the key word here is true, and we're referring to fungi. Well, fungi are not photosynthetic organisms, and they are not a type of bacteria. Furthermore, not all fungi are edible. Some are poisonous. Therefore, the answer is C, fungi are eukaryotic, which means that they can be either unicellular, like yeast, or multicellular, like mushrooms. Well, hopefully you found that video to be informative and helpful. If so, be sure to check out more videos on this channel. Please remember to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on any more of our awesome content and videos. You can also get a lot of help from our website at Study.com. As a member, you can access short, targeted video lessons, extra study materials, personalized study plans, and hundreds of practice problems. Those who use Study.com to prepare for assessments have a passing rate of 92%. Don't forget to tell us what you think and share feedback about your experience. Wishing you all the very best of luck. Happy studying!